All right, boys, we're back in the deep woods and wait, bro, what is that? Dude, there's a whole military helicopter in the woods. This is either sick or we're about to get arrested.
Oh, great, Fred's here. Fred, we probably shouldn't touch the military death machine.
Okay, boys, we're going in. If I don't make it back, tell my mom I died doing something cool.
Oh, bro, there's buttons everywhere. This thing's got more tech than my gaming setup.
Fred, no! Stop touching the war machine! That's probably the missile button.
No! They're talking! The army people are talking through the machine!
Diesel, why do you have military secrets? Where did you even get those?
Fred, tell me you're not trying to start a military helicopter.
It's alive! The whole thing is turning on!
They're looking for this thing. They're saying coordinates. Where are the coordinates?
Fred, we gotta go! This isn't camping gear, it's a weapon! They're gonna think we stole it. Fred, what did you do? The spinny things are spinning!
Oh, the trees are flying! Everything is flying! This is not normal camping! Diesel, why do you keep finding government secrets? This says, Operation Forest Sweep.
Boys, do you hear engines? That's not Fred's stomach, that's V.E. Hickles.
Fred, step away from the boom boom machine. That's not for touching.
That's it! Mission abort! We're leaving before we become military prisoners!
Fred is flying the helicopter! He's actually flying it.
The feds are here. If you're watching this, I'm probably in military jail.
Fred just crashed a military helicopter. That's either the coolest or dumbest thing I've ever seen. Whew. All right, boys, we survived military contact. Fred's banned from all aircraft. Bigfoot boys out.